A complaint has been filed by Firoz Sinwala, a South Mumbai-based builder, against some crime branch officials. What was your interaction like? You were complaining in a case. You were referred to anti-extortion cell. You were sent to Sachin Vaze. What was your experience?
My experience was very bad. I was supposedly threatened by the so-called punch witnesses and police informers who have, in connivance with the officers, giving false statement and witnesses in high-profile cases like of Iqbal Kaskar, whom that police informer had blatantly disclosed to me, for which I have taken out video, audio recordings, and I have the proof which I have submitted to the authorities, wherein he blatantly says very clearly how he connives with the officers and the underworld elements, and how he becomes hostile on getting money paid either by the underworld or by them through at the behest of the officers concerned. After that, I was threatened to withdraw the complaint, and then he asked me 50,000 rupees to become hostile in one of my cases which he has falsely filed, and then I was referred to Mr. Sachin Vaje by one of the illegal hookah operator in South Mumbai, Dongri, by the name of Mohammad Praveen Thakkar, operating by the name of Farm Restaurant. He told me that this is a high profile case and you meet Mr. Sachin Vaje. I went and met, but he was not there. The records of the CCTV will show that I had gone there, and after that I was given an example of their clout, that abruptly, without going through the due process of law, my pistol license, this is the order of passed by DCP headquarter, Mrs. Ambika, and on going through the order, it is very clearly visible that this order has been made either by somebody who is not competent, or it has been made at the instructions of higher ups and very abruptly and fast, because the address doesn't reflect my address on the license. The number of the license is not mentioned in the order, is not of mine. This was given as an example of their clout of Mr. Sachin Vaje sitting on the third floor and DCP was sitting on the first floor. My revolver license was cancelled and I made an appeal for that.
There was no interaction with you, with Vaje and...
No, I was directly not interacted. I was told to meet. He was not present. But the concerned persons who had directed me then further were giving me instructions. And repeatedly I have been approaching anti-extortion cell, but surprisingly, instead of taking action against them, they are telling me to settle. And then one fine day, I get an information through my men that he was threatened by that so-called police informer that I will file a false complaint in JJ Mark police station. The officer is very known to him and he has been transferred from LT Mark. And then an NCP vice president Mumbai approached me and told me to pay 2 lakh rupees to the senior PI through him, otherwise false case will be filed against me. And in the communications of WhatsApp, he has blatantly written in his own handwriting a note wherein he shows that he is so powerful that he handles the matters of police transfers, he can get loans sanctioned from MTDC and all that stuff.
A fresh complaint, you are asking for action against?
I made a fresh complaint to the Commissioner of Police, the Anti-Corruption Department, NIA and the Governor of Maharashtra, because I fear threat to my life, because this connivance is very much visible from the audio video evidences which I have submitted to the authorities.